Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the Hycon 250, a sleek and lightweight electric motorcycle, perfect for anyone wanting a practical and stylish city ride. If you're considering an electric bike for commuting or weekend rides, stay tuned. First off, the Hycon 250's design is impressive, minimalist, futuristic, and clearly made for urban riders who want both function and style. Its slim, aerodynamic frame and clean lines make it stand out from typical gas-powered bikes. For specs, the Hycon 250 has a mid-sized electric motor offering enough torque for city driving and light highway riding. While it won't be setting speed records, it's perfect for smooth, quiet, and efficient daily commutes or short distances. Battery life is another highlight. Its lithium-ion battery offers around 100 to 150 kilometers per charge, depending on speed and terrain. It's also removable, so you can easily charge it indoors or at work. The Hycon 250's lightweight frame makes it super agile in traffic, ideal for tight spaces. It's built for city riders who need a nimble, efficient bike, and the lightness even boosts energy efficiency, extending battery life. As for features, the Hycon 250 includes a digital display showing speed, battery life, and range, plus LED lighting for visibility and style. The brakes are solid, and the suspension can handle city bumps comfortably. Maintenance is low compared to gas bikes, saving you time and money. And since it produces zero emissions, it's a solid, eco-friendly choice. In short, the Hycon 250 is ideal for urban commuters wanting an affordable, low-maintenance electric bike. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more on electric vehicles.